Good morning everyone. Here we are starting with our new video. We are following financial statement and we are solving the problem of accounting ratio. Here is the illustration number 6 on the board. Here working capital is given 9 lakh, total assets are given 45 lakh, non-current assets is given 33 lakh. And question asks us to find current ratio. Now, how you will find current ratio? Here's the solution. Current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. I am writing it short. Okay. So first of all, we have to find the current asset. Here current asset is given? No. Here non-current asset is given? Here total asset is given. So the clue is given to us. So here working on number 1. Total assets minus non-current assets is equal to current asset total. When we deduct from total asset non-current assets, what comes? Current asset, the clue is given, so deduct it directly. 45 lakh minus 23 lakh. How much it comes? 45 minus 33, 715, 12 lakh. So here the current asset 12 lakh. Got it? Now, second one. Now we want current liability. Here current liability is not given. So what we have to do is we have to find the current liability. So what we want to how to find the current liability? We know that working capital is given, current asset we had find out. Now the current liability. So how to know the current liability? As we know that working capital is equal to current asset minus current liabilities. Working capital is equal to current asset minus current liabilities. So we are now moving the figures. Working capital 9 lakh, current asset we have 12 lakh minus current liability. That we have to find out. We can find out current liability is equal to how much? 12 lakh plus 9 lakh. How much? 21. When it will go here, it will come, sorry, it will be minus. So 12 minus 9, 3 lakh. Here, 3 lakh. That will come 4:1. That means your current assets are 4 times than your current liability. Got it? This is interpretation. Your current assets are 4 times than your current liability. Got it everyone? Solving your copy. Okay everyone? Here is the page number 4.9 and illustration number 7. We are following TSP by solving accounting ratios. Working capital is given 10 lakh. Total debt is given 45 lakh. Debt, DEBT debt. How to pronounce debt? Total debt 45 lakh. Non-current liability 40 lakh. Find current ratio. Question asks find current ratio. How to find the current ratio? Here is the solution. Current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. Okay. So we have the current. First of all, let's see. We have the some clues or not. Current asset is not given. Okay. Current liability. Some clues are given to find the current liability. Total debt is given in non-current liability. So we have to make the note here. Note number first. Then total days minus non-current liability is equal to current liability. So 45 days minus non-current liability 48. So what comes? Current liability will come how much? 5 lakh. Now current asset. To find the current asset, we have to make note number second. Current asset. Some clue is given. Working capital is given. You know working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. Working capital 10 lakh is equal to current asset not given minus current liability how much? 5 lakh. Okay, so this 5 lakh goes there, then current asset will be 15 lakh. Okay, so here I am holding 15 lakh. So 3:1. So now interpretation. Current ratio is 3:1. Current asset is 3 times then current liability. Current ratio is 3 times then current liability. Understood? Moving toward our next question. Okay, friends, illustration number 8, page number 4.9. P.S. level. Okay, here the current ratio is given 2.5 times. Working capital is given 60,000. Find out. What to find out? Current asset and current liability. You have to find the both of these, current asset and current liability. How you will find the both of these? See here the solution. Current ratio is equal to current asset divided by the current liability. Same formula, you must have to know this. Now, let assume current liability is equal to X. So now the formula became current ratio is equal to let me write directly. Current ratio how much? 2.5. Current asset is current asset and we are assuming current liability X. So now the current asset will come 2.5x. So here we have the both the things, current asset 2.5x and current liability x. So now, how to solve the question? I am telling you. See here. Working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. You all know this formula. Put this formula. 60,000 is equal to current asset 2.5x minus current liability is X. So how much it will come? 60,000 is equal to, if nothing is there, that means this one. So it will be now 2.5 minus 1x is equal to 1.5x. Okay, I am solving it here. See, I am solving it here. So now the x is equal to 60,000 divided by 1.5. So if you will solve it, it will come 40,000. X will come 40,000. So now, X means current liability 40,000, current asset is equal to 2.5x, that means 2.5 multiplied by 40,000, how much it comes? Multiply 2.5 multiplied by 40,000, how much it comes? Multiply. Okay, so here our current asset is 1 lakh and current liability is 40,000. Understood? A question asked us for finding current asset and current liability. Moving to our next illustration. Illustration number 9, page number 4.9. Your question. Working capital is given 7,20,000. Trade payables is given 40,000. What are the trade payables? You all know. Creditors, bill payables. Okay. Current liability 2 lakh. Question asks, find out current ratio. Find out current ratio. So how you will find the current ratio now? See the solution here. Current ratio is equal to current asset divided by the current liability. Here the current asset is given to us? No. But for current liability the views are given. Trade payables and other current liability. As you all know, not 1. Trade payables plus other current liability is equal to current liability. So we will plus both of these 40,000 plus 2 lakh is equal to how much? 2 lakh 40,000. Here I am writing 2 lakh 40,000. Now, we want current asset. How to find current asset? See here on the blackboard. As we know the note, formula for current asset, working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. Working capital is given 7,20,000 is equal to current asset is same as it is minus 2,40,000. That current liability. Now, what we have to find out is current asset. So current asset will come. You know how to solve this? So when it will go there, it will be plus 7, 9 lakh 60,000. 9 lakh 60,000 here. 9 lakh 60,000. So solve the current ratio. How much it comes? If you will cut it, 4:1. That means current asset is 4 times the current liability. Current asset is 4 times the current liability. Got it? Moving to our next illustration. Okay, everyone. Here the illustration number 10, page number 4.9. Okay, working capital is given 1,50,000. Total liability is given 3,25,000. Long term debt is given 2,50,000. And now what we have to do is we have to find out current ratio. Now how you will find the current ratio? And first of all I am giving you clue. Current liabilities, total liabilities minus long term debt. It will come current liability. Okay. And while after finding current liability, we can also find current asset. Okay, see the solution here. Current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. Okay. Not plus See here, total liability minus long term debt is equal to what? Current liability. So deducting 3,25,000 minus 2,15,000. So how much it will come? 75,000. Okay. So here I am writing current liability 75,000. Now working mod से क्या है? Working mod second says working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. So we have the current liability 75,000 here. We don't have the current asset. Working capital is given only 50,000. So now the current asset will be how much? Only 50,000 plus 75,000. How much is come? 2,25,000. So your current ratio will be 3:1. That means your current asset is thrice times your current liability. Got it? Your current assets are thrice times current liability. Okay. Solve this question in your fair copy and practice it very well. We have done 10 questions of current ratio. Now we will do quick essay. Before it, I want to give you some homework. Everywhere, see here on the blackboard. Homework for you all on page number 4.99 exercise question. 1 to 14 question answered questions you have to do by yourself. You have to practice them, you have to solve them. If any difficulty comes, I will make a video lecture separately for these questions. Okay?